Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SPEAKORA English Flow, where your English starts to flow. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. I'm Jolly.
How are you today, Jolly?
Honestly, I had a really strange morning.
Oh, what happened?
I woke up late, I couldn't find my keys, and then I spilled coffee on my shirt. I had to take a break just to breathe for a second.
Take a break. That's actually related to today's topic.
Oh, is today about coffee disasters?
No, it's about the word take. There are so many different ways to use it in English, and most learners only know one or two.
Wait, just one little word has that many uses?
More than you think. Today, we're going through 13 of them.
13. Lily, I can barely handle 3 before lunch.
You'll be fine. But first, a small request. If you're enjoying the show, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. It really helps us keep making these episodes. Thank you. Okay, 13 uses of take. Where do we even start? Let's start with the one you already used. Take a break.
Take a break? What does that mean?
It means to stop working for a short time and rest.
So this morning, after the coffee incident, I took a break on the sofa for 10 whole minutes.
Exactly. See? You already understood it without even trying. I do enjoy taking breaks. It might be my best skill.
I believe you. Now here's a very different one. Take your time.
Take your time? What does that mean?
It means don't hurry. Go slowly and carefully at whatever speed feels comfortable.
Oh, I like that phrase. My boss never says that to me.
Well, I'll say it to you. Take your time with your English lessons, Jolly. There's no rush.
Thank you, Lily. Very kind. Unlike my keys this morning, which definitely did not take their time, they disappeared instantly.
That's a good one. My keys didn't take their time. They took a vacation.
I like that. My keys took a vacation. I'm going to say that every time I lose something now. Please do. I'll be waiting to hear it again.
Okay, so far we have take a break and take your time. What's next?
Next is one that's very useful for people like you.
People like me?
People who forget things. Take notes.
Take notes? What does that mean?
It means to write down important information so you remember it later.
Oh no, if I had taken notes about where I put my keys, this morning would have gone very differently.
Exactly. That's the whole point. If you take notes during class, you won't forget the vocabulary later.
Noted. Literally. I'm taking notes right now about taking notes.
Perfect example, actually.
So we've got break, time, and notes. This word take is doing a lot of work today.
It really is, and we're only getting started. There are 10 more uses coming up.
10 more? My brain might need to take a break after this.
See, you're already using it naturally.
I contain multitudes, Lily.
You do. All right, let's keep this momentum going into the next part.
Wait, are we stopping already?
For now, we don't want to rush through all 13 at once. Remember, take your time.
Using my own advice against me. Clever.
That's teamwork. Welcome back. Before the break, we covered take a break, take your time, and take notes. Ready for more, Jolly?
Ready as I'll ever be. Hit me.
All right. Here's one everyone needs eventually. Take a bus.
Take a bus. What does that mean?
It means to travel somewhere using a bus.
Oh, that one's easy. This morning, since I couldn't find my keys, I had to take a bus instead of driving.
Perfect example. You can also take a train, take a taxi, take a plane. Take works with almost any transportation.
Wait, really? Any transportation?
Almost. You wouldn't say take your feet, though.
Good to know. I was about to get creative.
Speaking of creative, here's a fun one. Take off.
Take off? What does that mean?
It has 2 common meanings. First, when a plane leaves the ground and starts flying.
Oh, like the plane took off at 9.
Exactly. And the second meaning is to remove something, usually clothes. Take off your shoes before you come inside.
Oh, that makes sense. My mom says that to me every single day.
See, same phrase, two different pictures. A plane in the sky and shoes by the door.
English really likes to reuse its words, doesn't it?
It really does. That's exactly why we're doing this episode. Once you understand the pattern, take stops feeling confusing and starts feeling useful.
Okay, so far, break, time, notes, bus, and take off. That's 5.
5 down, 8 to go. Here's number 6. Take a photo.
Take a photo. What does that mean?
It means to use a camera or phone to capture an image.
Oh, I do that constantly. This morning I even took a photo of my empty key hook just to prove to myself it was really empty.
That's very dramatic, Jolly.
I like documentation.
Well, at least you're consistent. Number 7 is a little different. Take a seat.
Take a seat? What does that mean?
It simply means to sit down. You might hear it at a doctor's office, a restaurant, or even a job interview.
Please, take a seat. Yeah, I've heard that one. It always makes me nervous, though, like something serious is about to happen.
That's true. It often comes right before important news, so it can feel a little tense.
Take a seat, take a breath, take a deep breath. Is that one of the 13 too?
Good instinct, but let's save that one. It fits perfectly a little later.
Fine, I'll wait. Patiently, taking my time.
Nicely done using 2 phrases at once.
I'm learning, slowly, but I'm learning.
That's exactly the goal. Let's keep going. We've got 6 more excellent ones coming up in the next part.
6 more? Lily, this word is unstoppable.
It really is one of the hardest working verbs in English.
Well, unlike my keys this morning, they clearly took a vacation and didn't come back for hours.
There it is, the callback. I was waiting for that.
I told you I'd use it again.
Welcome back. We're halfway through our list. So far, we've covered break, time, notes, bus, take off, photo, and seat. That's 7.
7 down, 6 to go. I'm actually starting to feel proud of myself.
You should be. Let's keep the momentum going. Number 8. Remember what you almost said earlier?
Take a deep breath.
Exactly. Take a deep breath. What does that mean?
I think I can guess this one. It means to breathe in slowly and deeply, usually to calm down.
Perfect. You got it yourself this time.
I've had a lot of practice today. Between the keys and the coffee, I've taken a lot of deep breaths this morning.
That's the perfect use of it, actually. When something stressful happens, we say, take a deep breath to relax.
Noted. I might need one before we do 6 more of these.
You'll be fine. Number 9 is a simple one. Take a look.
Take a look? What does that mean?
It means to look at something, often quickly or for the first time.
Oh, like take a look at this when you show someone a photo?
Exactly right. Or take a look outside. It's raining.
That happens every morning where I live. Take a look outside, see rain, feel sad, take a break.
You're combining phrases again. I love it.
I contain multitudes, remember?
You do. Okay, number 10. This one's a bit braver. Take a chance.
Take a chance. What does that mean?
It means to try something, even though the result is uncertain. A little bit of risk.
Oh, like when I decided to take a chance and eat the mystery leftovers in my fridge this morning.
That is definitely taking a chance, Jolly. Brave, but risky.
It was a bold move. I don't recommend it.
Noted for our listeners, take chances in English conversation, maybe not with mystery leftovers.
Wise words. Okay, what's 11?
11 is take place.
Take place? What's that mean?
It means to happen, usually at a specific time or location, like the meeting will take place on Monday.
Oh, that's a formal one. I feel smarter already.
You are smarter already. You've learned 11 new uses of one simple word today.
11 uses of cake and 0 uses of find my keys.
We'll work on that next episode.
Please, I'm desperate.
2 more to go, and they're both really useful for daily life. Let's save those for the top of the next part.
Can't wait. Take a deep breath, everyone. We're almost there.
Great use of vocabulary, Jolly.
I take my education seriously.
Welcome back for our final part. We've got 2 brand new uses of take left, and then we'll recap everything together.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
Number 12. Take care.
Take care? What does that mean?
It has 2 meanings. First, it's a friendly way to say goodbye, like, see you later, take care. Second, it can mean to be careful or look after something. Take care of your little sister.
Oh, I say take care all the time without even thinking about it. I didn't realize it meant 2 different things.
That's the beauty of it. One small phrase, but context tells you which meaning is being used.
So if my mom says, take care of your sister, she doesn't mean say goodbye to her.
Correct. She means look after her.
Good, because that would have been a very confusing morning.
You've had enough of those already today. Okay, our 13th and final one, take a picture. Wait, we did that one. Let's do take medicine.
Take medicine? What does that mean?
It means to swallow or use medicine when you're sick.
Oh, like take 2 pills after breakfast.
Exactly. Very common phrase, especially at the doctor's office.
Well, after this morning, maybe I should take some medicine for stress.
That might not be a bad idea.
13 uses of take, and I've somehow used almost all of them describing one chaotic morning?
That's actually the best proof that this word is everywhere in daily English. Let's recap quickly before we go.
Recap time. Hit me with the list.
We started with take a break, resting for a short time. Then take your time, going slowly, no rush.
My keys took their time coming back, by the way. They took a vacation.
There's the callback again. Then we had take notes, take a bus, and take off. Remember, that one means both a plane leaving the ground and removing something, like shoes.
Right, 2 very different pictures, same phrase.
Then take a photo, take a seat, and take a deep breath. Perfect for calming down.
I used that one a lot today.
After that, take a look, take a chance, and take place, meaning to happen at a certain time.
And now, to finish, take care and take medicine.
13 uses, all from one simple word. See how much more natural your English sounds once you know these?
Honestly, yes. I feel like I could survive an entire day just using different forms of take.
That's the goal. All right, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Seriously, thank you for spending this time with us. It means a lot.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
It really does help us keep making these for you.
And before you go, here's a question for you to answer in the comments. In English, please. Which of these 13 uses of take do you use most in your own daily life?
Write your answer below. It's great writing practice, and we genuinely read every comment.
Thanks again for joining us on SPEAKORA English Flow.
And remember, even if your keys take a vacation like mine did, your English never has to take a break.
Beautiful closing line, Jolly.
I take my closing seriously too.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye everyone, take care.